Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely remove the Reporter plugin of RedmineUP. So this is going to happen on Redmine 7.0.0 stable, and this is currently the very latest Redmine that was released very soon, 1 month ago, and currently we are in the middle of 2026. And also this is going to happen on the Ubuntu Linux 26.04. So zero 04 here means that it was released on April this year. And also, yeah, it is 2026. And also it is an LTC Ubuntu Linux, meaning that it is a long-term support version. So it is going to be active a lot of years ahead. Okay. Yeah, so first thing that we need to do is to open our terminal of Linux and then change the directory to our Redmine. Please keep in mind that it is my directory of Redmine. It is in this path, but in your path it could be somewhere else installed. So please double check this before you start anything. Okay. So the first command is going to be downgrading the database. This means that we have to remove, drop, and delete every table in the database that is related to the Reporter plugin. So let's continue further with the command sudo sudo exec rake redmine plugins and then name of the plugin, that is Redmine Reporter. And here is the most important part of the command, version 0. Actually, this thing is going to drop all the tables of Reporter. Okay, and Rails env, that is production. This is pointing the server of Redmine to be a production one. Okay, we click enter and put our sudo password and wait a little bit. So if you see these messages, it means that you have been successfully downgraded your database in relation to Reporter plugin. So we see that we have dropped table report schedules, drop table report templates, and so on. So these are removed tables. Okay, so we are done with this command, and the next one is about removing the folder itself, the folder of the plugin. So we change the directory to the plugins, and if we list now, we see that we have Reporter folder here. Also, I would like to show you this in the file system of Ubuntu. So I copy the path of Redmine, go to the file system and just paste the path here. And now we are into Redmine path and the plugins, and we see the Reporter folder here. So we need to remove this folder. And this is going to happen with the command sudo remove and the name of the folder itself. This argument here means that it is going to remove recursively all the inner folders in the Reporter folder. So, for example, if we have one folder inside and one folder inside and so on, this is going to remove and delete every folder in this folder. Okay, so we click now, and if we list again, we see that we no more have the Reporter folder. We have successfully removed it. And if we check in the file system as well, we see that it is also deleted from here. Okay, so yeah, it is no more appearing. Good. So there is one last step that we need to do, and it is just restarting our Redmine. It depends on your case and configuration. For example, if you're using Bitnami Redmine virtual machine, you can switch it off. Switch off the virtual machine, then switch it on. And also there are other methods of restarting Redmine, restarting server in general, and so on. In my specific case now, I'm running Redmine in the terminal of Linux itself. So it has been started here, it is running now, and if I close this window, my Redmine is down. So if I go now here and click on refresh, I see that, yeah, my Redmine is down. So I need to open the terminal again and switch it on. So this is my way of restarting Redmine. So I change the directory to Redmine and start it again. So just wait a couple of seconds for Puma to be booting. Okay. Now if I refresh, then yeah, it has been started. So I see that there is no more reporter plugin installed here. So we have successfully removed and deleted it from the Redmine system. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and yeah, if you like it, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have some questions or problems, please feel free to drop a message to support@redmineup.com. We're going to help you anytime, as always. Okay, so thanks again for the patience of watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.